welcome to Megan's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki chicken, and that's one of the Japanese dishes. I'm going to make it as a teriyaki chicken bowl, so it's going to serve on top of the rice and broccoli veggie as part of the side dish. The teriyaki sauce is made of soy sauce, mirin, sugar, honey, and teriyaki sauce can be used through a lot of Japanese cuisine. Primarily they use it for glazing, coating, for broiling or baking. So it's like a thickening glaze sauce. So first of all, I'm going to show you how I'm going to debone the chicken. I'm going to use 2 pieces of bone-in chicken thigh with the skin on. So one of them I have already deboned, so I can wash my hand. But I want to show you, I already deboned this one, so there's no bone on this side. And I'm going to do this one and show you how I debone the chicken. Okay? So first you need to do is flip the skin down and kind of use, I like to use the thin pointed knife so I can see it through the skin. So I go underneath the skin and I scrape it through to the end. And then I'm gonna move it up, make sure I get all the meat off. Then I'm gonna cut the other end. I don't really care for the fat part. So there you go, it's the bone is removed, and after that I kind of spread it out a little bit thinner and a little bit because it has some thickness on the left and the right side of the thigh. So that's what I did. And here you go. Now you have a whole piece of chicken thigh boneless. So I'm gonna move them over here. And the next step, I'm going to show you how to coat the chicken before you pan fry it, okay? Okay, so we have the chicken deboned. Now we're ready to marinate and then pan fry it a little bit. So I have here half teaspoon of salt and pepper. So I'm going to mix them in here. Marinate a little. So I'm going to use half of each side. Lightly marinate it because we're going to have the soy sauce going to glaze it in later on, so we don't need a lot of dry ingredient. Throw the rest here. Kind of tap them. I don't like to use my hands, so I'm doing the lazy way. The other part, we also need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch, so that when you pan fry it, it gets a little bit crispy texture to it. So I'm pulling half on each side.
Why you won't buy boneless thighs? Why
Well, they have the boneless at the market, but it's skinless. And I need teriyaki chicken. We need the thigh with the skin on, so that when you fry it, it has that greasiness come out from the skin, and then the shininess, and then the glaze will stick onto it better. So, but if you don't like to eat with the skin, you can always remove it after you cook it. But the whole purpose is to have the skin on.
Yeah, we like skin.
We probably use half of the cornstarch instead of the full, because I don't want to make it too thick. Okay, so one is all set and done. We're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes to let it soak in. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna ready to pan fry this chicken, and I want to show you real quick the sauce ingredient for the teriyaki sauce. So we have honey, we have sugar, soy sauce, mirin, grated ginger and garlic, and I use the cheese grater to kind of graze it in, and that's how we have it. So we have 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of honey. And the ginger and the garlic I grated actually 1 teaspoon of each. Okay? Well, I'm gonna do the chicken first, and then after the chicken's done pan fried, then I'm gonna do the sauce. So let's start cooking the chicken. I'm gonna put in probably about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Actually, I want to put half because the chicken is already greasy. So I would do half. But if you like greasy, you can put more oil in here.
We like greasy.
Okay. You don't really need to wait till it's hot. I turn on high heat right now, and always put the skin down because we want to make the skin crispy. So make sure the skin is down. We're going to pan fry this about 5 minutes each side until it's golden brown. Well done. Cook the mirin first. So it's been cooking about 4 minutes. I'm going to flip it over and I turn the heat down to medium. Beautiful. Okay. Golden brown. So I'm going to turn it to medium heat, and we're going to cook it for another 6 minutes, okay? So make sure that's well done. So since the water kind of splattered much, I'm going to use the lid to cover so that it'll soak in the moisture with the chicken, okay? So give this about 6 minutes. Okay, so we've been cooking around 12 minutes total. I'm going to take the lid out, and as you can see, let me flip over one more time, you can see the bottom, and I lowered the heat. So now we're going to remove this and let it drain out the fat, and then the temperature. How greasy it is with the skin. And we are going to clean this out. This is a clean towel. We're going to wipe off the grease. And I turn it to low heat right now, so I'm going to get ready with the sauce. Okay, now we're going to do the sauce. So I need to get mixing. You ready? Okay, so we're going to let this chicken sit for a minute, let it dry out all the fat, the grease. Now we're going to start cooking. I'm going to start with the mirin. So remember, this is 2 tablespoons of mirin. I don't want to mix all the sauce together. We want to cook the mirin first. As it's boiled, now you can pour in the soy sauce. gonna pull in the sugar. You can smell the mirin and the soy sauce mix. Smell wonderful. And now we're gonna pull in the honey. And this is where it's gonna start getting thickening. I'm gonna lower the heat to low. I don't want it to quickly dry up. As it's boiled, we're gonna put in the garlic. Now with the ginger, I don't want to put the whole ginger in here. I just want some juice out of it. So I'm gonna squeeze this grated ginger and squeeze out the juice, and I might just want to use just a pinch of it. I don't want too much because I don't want the root to be sticking to the sauce. Okay. Okay, as the sauce is thickening, I turn it down to low, very low, so I can start putting my chicken. I'm going to put the skin up because I don't want to soften the skin. The chicken. You can smell the wonderful teriyaki sauce is being glazed. So I let it soak for a minute on one side. I'm going to turn this back to medium heat so it's glazed up the sauce. Then I'm going to turn the other side. And it smells amazing with the mirin and the sauce. I'm going to flip it over one more time. And you keep cooking it until the sauce is thickened, but you don't want to dry it up. So this looks good to me. I'm going to save a little bit of sauce for dressing on it. Alright, so I'm going to remove it out to this plate. And we're going to let it sit for a couple minutes before we slice them and serve over the rice. So I'm going to save this sauce. Here we go. Final product. Teriyaki Chicken Bowl. Arigato. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy this dish. This is one of my favorites. I always go to a Japanese cuisine and I order Teriyaki Chicken Bowl, and here it is. Now you can learn how to make this dish at home with the best teriyaki sauce in town. I guarantee you. So if you try this recipe, please like and comment and let me know how it turns out. Again, thanks for watching. And remember, love yourself, stay strong and beautiful.